is Mikkel. I work at Creative Force as a Director of Strategic Finance. We had our budget model in Excel, and I think that worked fine. Being a startup/scale-up, I think it's a good place to start in Excel, but we kind of wanted to engage the business a bit more, to have a place where, or a solution where we could do this cloud-based, and instead we wanted a solution that was somewhat easy to get set up but also maintain, ensuring that we could integrate all our, or at least most of our data into Abacum or into an FP&A solution. Our planning has been so much better since onboarding Abacum. It's on another level as well. Like the way we're able to do planning is completely different. We're able to do it on a much more granular level, combining financial and commercial data, having a look at our pipeline coverage. How does our pipeline look like? What do we anticipate to be able to close on, like a deal level for the coming quarter? Align that with our current financial forecast and align our cost base based on that. I think that's been the key result for us, that we're able to have those discussions instead of just looking in Excel files. Before Abacum, I think we easily spent one day on just updating Excel files, updating PowerPoints, copy-pasting from Excel files to PowerPoint. And I think we spent one day on that. And I think now it's more like an exercise that takes maybe 1 or 2 hours, and then at max, and then all the data is updated. You're gonna be much better business partner to the business by utilizing a tool as Abacum, because you're able to combine data, financial data, commercial data, operational data, whatever, and drive those discussions looking ahead. I think that's the biggest value add.